Imagine a creature so vast and mysterious that it defies everything we think we know about the ocean's inhabitants. Meet the giant jellyfish, a mesmerizing marvel of the deep that stretches the limits of what we consider normal. Picture this: an organism with tentacles that can extend longer than a blue whale, yet it drifts through the sea with an eerie grace, almost as if it's floating in slow motion through its own alien universe. These creatures are not just larger versions of the jellyfish you might spot at your local beach. They're an entirely different spectacle, each species boasting unique traits that can be both fascinating and bewildering. Take, for instance, the lion's mane jellyfish. The largest recorded specimen had tentacles extending over 120 feet, longer than most buildings are tall. Can you imagine encountering something so colossal while swimming in the ocean? It's enough to send shivers down your spine. But size isn't the only thing that sets these jellyfish apart. Their biology is like something out of a science fiction novel. Unlike most animals, jellyfish don't have a brain or heart. Yet, they navigate the ocean currents with a purpose that suggests a kind of primitive intelligence. How do they do it? Through a decentralized nerve net that allows them to respond to their environment in ways that are still not fully understood by scientists. And let's not forget their stunning bioluminescence. In the dark depths of the ocean, many giant jellyfish glow with an ethereal light, creating a surreal underwater light show. This bioluminescence isn't just for show, though. It's a crucial survival mechanism used to attract prey or deter predators. Imagine the ocean floor suddenly lighting up with these ghostly figures, each pulse of light a silent communication in the deep. As if their size, intelligence, and glow weren't enough to make them extraordinary, giant jellyfish also play a critical role in their ecosystems. They serve as both predator and prey, balancing the populations of smaller fish and plankton while providing sustenance for larger marine animals. But their presence is a double-edged sword. In areas where they bloom in large numbers, they can disrupt local fisheries and even cause power outages by clogging up cooling systems in coastal plants. Their sudden appearances can be as mysterious as their disappearances. Some years, the oceans seem to teem with them, while in others they're barely seen. This unpredictable nature keeps scientists on their toes, constantly seeking to understand what factors contribute to these fluctuations. Is it climate change, overfishing, or something else entirely? The answers remain elusive, tucked away in the hidden folds of the ocean. So, what draws these giant jellyfish to congregate in such vast numbers? Could it be a response to changing ocean temperatures, or perhaps the availability of food sources? Or is it simply a part of their natural life cycle, a phenomenon that has been occurring for millennia, unnoticed by human eyes until now? As we delve deeper into their world, we uncover more questions than answers. In the coming sections, we'll explore the incredible adaptations that allow these jellyfish to thrive in a world where few creatures their size can survive. We'll delve into the science behind their bioluminescence and their mysterious life cycles. And as we journey through the depths, we'll meet some of the most extraordinary species, each with its own story to tell. So, stay with us as we unravel the enigma of the giant jellyfish, a creature that challenges our understanding of life beneath the waves. Beneath the tranquil surface of the ocean, the giant jellyfish drifts like a ghostly apparition, its translucent bell pulsating with an otherworldly grace. These creatures, some of which can reach up to 120 feet in length, are a testament to the wonders of evolution. Their very existence seems to defy logic, yet here they are, thriving in the ocean's vast expanse. Unlike many marine species, giant jellyfish have an astonishing ability to adapt to a variety of environmental conditions. This adaptability is one of the keys to their survival, allowing them to inhabit waters ranging from the chilly depths of the Arctic to the warm currents of the tropics. One of the most fascinating aspects of giant jellyfish is their bioluminescence. This natural phenomenon is not just a spectacle to behold, but serves as a vital tool for survival. Imagine the inky darkness of the deep ocean, where sunlight never penetrates. In this realm, light can mean the difference between life and death. Many species of giant jellyfish can produce light through a chemical reaction within their bodies. This ability not only helps them to attract prey, but also to communicate and deter predators. Picture the eerie glow illuminating the abyss, a silent language spoken in flashes and pulses. Their life cycle is another enigma. Giant jellyfish go through several stages, beginning as tiny polyps clinging to the ocean floor. These polyps can remain dormant for years, waiting for the perfect conditions to transform into the medusa stage, where they become the majestic creatures we see drifting through the water. It's a cycle of transformation and rebirth that has baffled scientists for decades. How do they know when to change, and what triggers this metamorphosis? As we continue our exploration, we encounter the lion's mane jellyfish, the largest known species of jellyfish. With a bell that can grow over 7 feet wide and tentacles trailing as long as a blue whale, it's a creature that commands both awe and respect. Its tentacles are equipped with thousands of stinging cells, capable of delivering a painful sting to any unsuspecting swimmer. Yet, despite their potentially dangerous nature, these jellyfish play a crucial role in the marine ecosystem, serving as both predator and prey. Venturing further, we meet the mysterious Nomura jellyfish, known for its unpredictable swarms that can disrupt fishing industries and even shut down power plants. These jellyfish have a peculiar knack for appearing in massive numbers, seemingly out of nowhere. Such swarms can have significant ecological impacts, affecting everything from local fish populations to the livelihoods of fishermen. What causes these sudden blooms? Scientists are still searching for answers, but some believe they may be linked to changing ocean temperatures and currents. Then there's the ethereal beauty of the moon jellyfish, with its delicate, translucent body and gentle, rhythmic pulsations. Unlike its larger cousins, the moon jellyfish poses little threat to humans. Its sting is mild, barely noticeable to most people. However, it serves as a vital component of the ocean's food chain, providing sustenance for a variety of marine creatures, from sea turtles to larger fish. But there's more to these floating enigmas than meets the eye. As we dive deeper into their world, we uncover a tapestry of life that is as complex as it is beautiful. In the heart of this aquatic ballet, we find Dr. Lilla Jensen, a marine biologist whose fascination with jellyfish began in childhood. Her research has taken her to the most remote corners of the planet, from the icy waters of the Arctic to the vibrant coral reefs of the Pacific. Lila's work is driven by a singular question: what role do these gelatinous giants play in the balance of our oceans? Lila's latest expedition has brought her to the mysterious waters off the coast of Japan, where reports of an unprecedented bloom of Nomura jellyfish have captured the attention of the scientific community. These giants, sometimes growing up to 2 meters in diameter, are as awe-inspiring as they are alarming. Their sudden appearance in such large numbers is a phenomenon that demands attention and understanding. As Lila and her team set up their research station aboard the RV Aquatica, they are joined by local fisherman Kenji Tanaka, whose family has fished these waters for generations. Kenji's knowledge of the sea is unparalleled, and his insights prove invaluable to Lila's mission. Together, they embark on a journey to uncover the secrets hidden beneath the ocean's surface. During their initial dives, the team is greeted by a mesmerizing sight. Thousands of Nomura jellyfish drifting in the currents, their translucent bodies glistening in the sunlight. For Lila, this is more than just a spectacle. It's a living laboratory. She carefully collects samples, analyzing the jellyfish's genetic makeup and studying their feeding habits. Kenji, meanwhile, shares tales of his ancestors' encounters with jellyfish, passed down through generations. These stories, filled with respect and caution, highlight the delicate balance between humans and the creatures of the sea. For Kenji, the sudden proliferation of jellyfish is both a blessing and a curse. On one hand, they provide a new source of income, as certain jellyfish are prized delicacies in Asia. On the other, they disrupt fishing nets and cause havoc in the ecosystem. Back on the Aquatica, Lila pores over her findings, her mind racing with theories. Could the boom in jellyfish numbers be linked to the rise in ocean temperatures? Or perhaps it's a consequence of overfishing, which has depleted the populations of their natural predators. As these questions swirl in her mind, Lila knows that the answers could hold the key to understanding the future of our oceans. But the ocean is unpredictable, and Lila's expedition takes an unexpected turn when a storm sweeps in, tossing the Aquatica like a toy in the waves. The team is forced to anchor in a sheltered cove where they make a surprising discovery. Nestled in the calm waters, they find a massive aggregation of jellyfish, unlike anything they've seen before. Among them are several species previously unknown to science. Their vibrant colors and intricate patterns, a testament to the ocean's endless creativity. As Leila and her team study these newfound species, they realize that their research is only scratching the surface. Each jellyfish species plays a unique role in its environment, and understanding these roles could unlock new insights into the health of our oceans. The more they learn, the more they realize how interconnected the ocean's inhabitants truly are. Kenji, too, finds himself captivated by the jellyfish. Inspired by Lila's passion, he begins to see these creatures in a new light, not just as obstacles or commodities, but as vital threads in the tapestry of life. Together, they forge an unlikely partnership, united by their shared love of the sea and a desire to preserve its wonders for future generations. But time is running out. As the storm subsides and the team prepares to continue their research, they receive troubling news. An international conference on ocean conservation is set to take place in a few weeks, and Leila has been invited to present her findings. It's an opportunity to share her work with the world, but it also adds a new layer of urgency to their mission. The stakes are high, and the pressure is mounting. With determination and a sense of purpose, Lila and Kenji set sail once more, ready to face whatever challenges the ocean throws their way. Together, they're on the brink of a discovery that could change the way we understand our oceans and the creatures that call them home. Yet, deep down, Lila knows that the answers they seek may be as elusive as the jellyfish themselves, shimmering just out of reach in the vast, mysterious sea. As dawn breaks, the ocean's surface glistens under a soft, golden light. Lila stands at the bow of their research vessel, her eyes scanning the horizon. The salty breeze carries the familiar scent of the sea, a scent that speaks of endless possibilities and unfathomable mysteries. Kenji joins her, a steaming cup of coffee in hand, his eyes bright with anticipation. "Today feels different," he says, passing her the cup, "like something's going to happen." Lila takes a sip, savoring the warmth. "Let's hope it's the breakthrough we've been waiting for." Their vessel cuts through the water, leaving a trail of foamy waves in its wake. The ocean stretches out in every direction, vast and unyielding, its depths teeming with life and secrets. As they reach the coordinates where the giant jellyfish were last spotted, Layla and Kenji prepare their equipment, each movement practiced and precise. The day unfolds with a mix of routine and expectation. They lower cameras into the water, watching the screens intently as images of the underwater world flicker into view. Schools of fish dart by, their scales catching the sunlight in flashes of silver. Coral gardens sway gently in the currents, vibrant and alive. But there's no sign of the jellyfish. Hours pass, the sun arching across the sky. Leela feels the weight of each minute, the pressure of their mission pressing down on her shoulders. She knows the importance of their work, the potential it holds to unlock the mysteries of these enigmatic creatures. Yet the ocean remains silent, offering no clues, no answers. As the afternoon light begins to wane, Kenji suddenly leans forward, his eyes fixed on the monitor. Leela, look at this! On the screen, a shadow emerges from the depths, growing larger and more defined. It's a jellyfish, but unlike any they've seen before. Its bell is massive, pulsating with a mesmerizing rhythm, trailing long, delicate tentacles that dance in the water. The creature seems almost otherworldly, a living tapestry of translucent blues and purples. Record everything, Lila instructs, her voice steady but filled with awe. We need to capture every detail. As they watch, the jellyfish drifts closer, its movements graceful and deliberate. Lila's mind races with questions. How does it survive in these waters? What role does it play in the ocean's ecosystem? And most importantly, what can it teach them about the health of our seas? The encounter is brief, the jellyfish eventually disappearing back into the inky depths, leaving Lila and Kenji with a sense of wonder and a renewed sense of urgency. They have witnessed something extraordinary, a glimpse into a world few have seen and even fewer understand. But the encounter also brings a realization. The ocean is changing, its delicate balance shifting in ways they are only beginning to comprehend. The presence of the giant jellyfish is a signal, a call to action for scientists and conservationists alike. It's a reminder that our planet is interconnected and that the actions we take on land ripple through the seas. Lila and Kenji stand at the edge of their boat, the gentle waves lapping against the hull as they contemplate the enormity of what they've witnessed. The giant jellyfish, with its ethereal glow and silent grace, becomes a symbol of the ocean's hidden wonders and its fragile state. As the sun begins to set, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink, Layla turns to Kenji. We have to do more than just observe, she says, her voice filled with determination. We need to share what we've seen, make people understand what's at stake. Kenji nods in agreement. Every small action counts. We can start by raising awareness, by showing everyone the beauty and the importance of these creatures. Their resolve is firm, but they know the journey ahead won't be easy. The ocean's mysteries are vast and the threats it faces are complex and daunting. But Lila and Kenji are driven by a newfound purpose. They decide to document their findings, capture the majesty of the giant jellyfish on film, and share their story with the world. Back on shore, they set up a small exhibit, showcasing their footage and findings about the jellyfish. The display attracts curious locals and tourists alike, each visitor leaving with a clearer understanding of the ocean's wonders and the importance of its preservation. Layla and Kenji speak passionately about their experiences, emphasizing the connection between human actions and the health of marine ecosystems. Their efforts don't stop there. Fueled by the interest and support of the community, they launch an online campaign, gathering signatures and stories from people all over the world who are also witnessing changes in their marine environments. Their message is clear. The ocean is not a separate entity, but a vital part of the global ecosystem. Protecting it means protecting our future. As the weeks turn into months, the campaign gains traction. Scientists, conservationists, and nature enthusiasts unite under a common goal. The giant jellyfish becomes an emblem for the ocean conservation movement, its image spreading across social media and environmental forums. Lila and Kenji's journey transforms from a personal quest into a global initiative. They are invited to speak at international conferences, their story inspiring others to look closer, to care more deeply, and to act more decisively. And so, the giant jellyfish, once a mysterious anomaly in the depths, becomes a beacon of hope and change. Its presence, a reminder of the ocean's intricate beauty and the urgency with which we must act to preserve it. As Leela and Kenji look back on that fateful day at sea, they realize that nothing about giant jellyfish is normal because nothing about the ocean is ordinary. It's a world of wonder, waiting to be understood, explored, and protected. If you enjoyed this story, please like and subscribe. Comment what you want to hear next. The story of the giant jellyfish didn't end with Lila and Kenji's encounter. Their experience sparked a wave of curiosity and exploration among marine biologists and ocean enthusiasts worldwide. Research teams began to delve deeper into the mystery of these gelatinous giants, uncovering secrets that were as fascinating as they were perplexing. In marine labs across the globe, scientists studied the jellyfish's physiology, trying to understand its unique adaptations. They discovered that the jellyfish's translucent body, which seemed fragile and ethereal, was actually an incredibly efficient biological structure. Its gelatinous mass was composed of a network of collagen fibers that allowed it to withstand the immense pressures of the deep sea, while its bell-shaped form enabled it to glide effortlessly through the water with minimal energy. The jellyfish's bioluminescence, a mesmerizing display of light and color, was another area of intense study. Researchers found that the jellyfish used this ability not just for communication and mating, but also as a defense mechanism. The light could startle predators, giving the jellyfish a chance to escape. This discovery opened up new avenues of research into potential applications of bioluminescence, from sustainable lighting solutions to novel ways of studying ocean ecosystems. Meanwhile, Lila and Kenji's story continued to inspire others. They were frequently invited to speak at conferences and schools, sharing their first-hand experience with the giant jellyfish and the importance of ocean conservation. Their passion was infectious, igniting a sense of wonder and responsibility in all who listened. They emphasized the interconnectedness of the ocean's creatures and how the balance of this delicate ecosystem was essential for the health of the entire planet. In one of their talks, Lila recounted a particularly poignant moment during their encounter. As they watched the jellyfish drift gracefully through the water, they noticed a school of small fish seeking refuge among its tentacles. It was a symbiotic relationship, a testament to the complex interdependence of life in the ocean. This image stayed with her, a powerful reminder of the role each creature plays in the larger tapestry of life. The story of the giant jellyfish also reached artists and storytellers, inspiring a wave of creative works that captured the beauty and mystery of the ocean. Documentaries, paintings, and novels all sought to convey the awe and wonder of the deep sea, urging people to look beyond the surface and discover the marvels beneath. In coastal communities, local initiatives sprang up, driven by a renewed commitment to protect the ocean. Beach cleanups, educational programs, and sustainable fishing practices became more prevalent, fostering a sense of stewardship and respect for the marine environment. The giant jellyfish had become a symbol of hope and resilience, a reminder that even in a world facing environmental challenges, there was still time to make a difference. As Leela and Kenji continued their journey, they remained ever vigilant in their mission to protect the ocean they loved. They knew that their encounter with a giant jellyfish was more than just a chance meeting. It was a call to action, a reminder of the responsibility we all share in safeguarding the planet's most precious resources. Together, they ventured deeper into the heart of the ocean, their eyes wide with wonder and determination. Each dive brought new discoveries, from vibrant coral gardens to schools of fish swirling like living rainbows. But it was the giant jellyfish that continued to captivate their imaginations. Its ethereal glow and otherworldly grace served as a constant reminder of the mysteries yet to unravel beneath the waves. Lila often found herself lost in thought, pondering the ancient secrets the jellyfish might hold. Kenji, ever the pragmatist, focused on gathering data, determined to decode the environmental indicators the jellyfish might reveal. Their passion for the sea was contagious, inspiring a small community of fellow divers and marine biologists to join their cause. Together, they organized beach cleanups and educational workshops, spreading awareness about the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. The giant jellyfish had become more than just a curiosity. It was a catalyst for change, a beacon guiding them towards a future where the ocean thrived. As they floated silently in the azure depths, surrounded by the gentle pulse of the jellyfish, Leela and Kenji knew that they were